Okay, so in this movie, we're going to take the battery that we've already defined as a design, and we're going to use it to take the place of these columns in this chart right here. I'm going to start by just selecting the chart itself, and I'm going to go to the Object menu. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Graph, and then I'm going to choose Column. I'm not going to choose Design because we use that option to define the artwork that we want to use for a design. But we use the column setting here to apply that design to a column inside of my chart. So I'm going to choose column. I'm going to scroll over here to the side. Unfortunately, there's no preview setting here, but I'm going to choose column battery. That's what we defined before. Now, you can see for column type, I have different options. Vertically scaled will simply stretch the artwork, which I don't want to do. But if I click on this pop-up here, I can choose repeating, which means the battery will just repeat itself over and over again. But because I did define this artwork with that little guide inside of it, I can choose to create a sliding chart. Now when I click OK, you'll see that the rectangles that I had there before have now been replaced by batteries, and the batteries are stretching very nicely. Basically, everything that appeared below remains the same on that guide. Everything above the guide remains the same, and Illustrator simply repeated that one area where the guide is and stretched that one area. And that's really how easy it is to define a column design and apply it to a chart inside of Illustrator. Now, what about the marker? Well, we'll do that in the next movie. Before we do that, let's just save our progress. I'm going to go to the File menu. I'll choose Save As. Let's change the name of this file to Design03. Click Save. Click OK. And in the next movie, we'll work with the sun.